I think I've got the heavy end.
You have. You looked underneath.
Hopefully you've watched the video where we were grunting and groaning getting the CB750 engine out. If not, why not? Click on the link in the description. Go and look at that, yeah? It might make you laugh a little bit. Anyway, onto this video. Whenever you have an engine out of a bike, sometimes, you know, it's just so difficult to manage it that you need to buy an engine stand. And in the past, I've tended to either make a stand of some description or buy a stand. Like I bought this stand, which was for a unit construction Triumph engine, right? This is great, but every time you do a different engine, you need a different stand. Anyway, at the latest show that I went to, they had this multi-adjustable engine stand. And I knew I needed one for the CB750 as I didn't have a stand. So I thought, I'll give this a go. You'll see the CB750 engine on it. I haven't put it on yet. I'll give you a bit of video of how it goes together and the different parts on it. And then we'll have a look at putting the CB engine on it. It can be used for all sorts, and although it looks massively different to this, what you can do is put this bar on there, move it down, and replicate where the engine mounts are, and I could use it for the Triumph engine. So it is very versatile. Now, I think the CB750 engine is probably one of the bigger ones you'll deal with. I know it's 6 cylinders, I aspire to that, but it's going to be a long time yet. So if this fits with a CB750, pretty much do for most engines that you've got of the universal Japanese motorbikes. Right, let's show you how it goes together. managed to put it on the stand on my own, and it's a very heavy engine, so it's a bit of fiddling, and I'm sure I could do it better if I was to think about it in future. Now, what I'm hoping to do is I'll get young Spanner Ash to come give me a hand. We'll put it up on the bench, because obviously I don't want to work with it on the floor, and there's no way I'm trying to pick up an 80 kilo engine on my own. Can you get your side on and push? I think I've got the heavy end.
You have. Your hook's underneath.
Thank God for that.
I was glad you got that in.
It's still a very heavy engine, and this stand is holding it okay. It's perfectly alright for doing virtually every job on it that I can see. I went for the bottom mounts at the back and the top mounts here. I suspect I could have actually got hold of these bottom ones with it, which might have made it, for a different job, might have made it more secure. Anyway, there it is. I'm very pleased with that. I think I'll use that with a few engines over the future. If I did have any problems, I'll let you know in a future video, but I don't think so. I'm hoping I can put a link into the description if you want one of these. It wasn't massively expensive, about the same price as buying one for a specific engine. It'd be worthwhile getting one. But thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed already, why not subscribe now? And anyone who gives us a like, we're always thrilled to see them.